With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is what would be the formula of next alkane if one hydrogen from butane is replaced by methyl group. So let us first write the butane. So you know that but is for 4 carbon atoms. So number of carbon atoms and alkanes. So we know that number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 1 is for methane. We get alkane methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane and hexane. Pentane and hexane. Now we know that butane, that means here butane has 4 carbon atoms, and formula for alkane is formula of alkane is equals to CnH2n plus 2. So we know that number here n is the number of carbon atoms. Okay, so what happens is we know that butane has 4 carbon atoms, so its formula will be butane will have molecular formula C4H4 into 2 plus 2, so it will be C4H10. Okay, so let us draw the structure for this. So let us draw the structure for this to find out what if we replace one hydrogen with methyl group. So we know that methyl group CH3 is the methyl group. Okay, so now let us write the structure of butane, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So they are saying if we replace one hydrogen, say any hydrogen, this or this. So suppose I am removing one hydrogen from here and adding one methyl group, that means I am subtracting one hydrogen and adding one CH3 group. So what will happen is CH3, CH2, CH2 and here one hydrogen is eliminated, so that means it will have CH2 and one CH3 group is added, so it will have one CH3 group extra. So from here we can see we can either calculate it the formula of alkane either by directly calculate the number of hydrogen and carbon or by using the formula of alkane, that is CnH2n plus 2. So can we see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5? We have 5 carbons, so it will be C5H2 into 5 plus 2. So the formula will be C5H12. Or we can directly calculate this formula, that is here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 carbon. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 plus 3 12. So 12 hydrogen. So the next alkane will be, that is our pentane with formula C5H12. So this will be pentane. This formula is for pentane with 5 carbon atoms. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.